Hello everyone, my name is Dina Ceron and I will present my video activity 1 task 3. Let's go. Over 400 people visited your library last month. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question and improve each topic area. A new student had to be registered with Mr. Crab by the end on Friday. Provided that an equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What choice of company do the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proven itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of fried beige will result in worsening air pollution. Thank you for attention. Bye.